Alright, so we have our PDM here. It's on the back of the planter. Fuses forward. You'll unbolt the bracket, flip it upside down, and if it has a mounting bracket here, you can take these 10mm bolts out and be easier to get in here to it. This right here is your solenoid. I'll show you real quick what we need to do to jump it. These two lugs right here is your power in and your power out. This is power in, this is power out that goes to the fuses. And we'll just make us a little jumper here with some big enough eyelets to fit on these studs. And you want to jump these two big lugs. Now this will cause direct power from the battery, tractor battery. So we'll just need to remember at the end of the day to either unplug here on the bulkhead or at the quick hitch when you get through plant for the afternoon. Otherwise you might come back in the morning and have some dead batteries. In order to change this solenoid out, you'll notice inside here, this one's actually already loose, but there's two screws here on the outside. If you'll take those loose and undo all your connectors here, just be mindful of what goes where. Your ground's over here up against the wall. Your excite wires over here. Like I say, power in and power out. Swap her out, and that's it.